every Ilocano family always dreams not only of educating their children, but producing a teacher among their children. You can see that when you go to the Ilocos region, where as you pass to the street, you see big signs on the houses. This is well publicized in the houses in the Ilocos region.
It's part of culture and tradition talaga ng Ilocanos na dapat ang mga estudyante, ang mga anak ay magiging education leaders in the future. Kaya yun siguro yung naging na lahat ng mga students malaki ang respeto pag sinabing graduate ng Ilocos region, like Pangasinan State University. Part na kasi ng namulatan ng mga Ilocanos and Pangasinenses culture na kung makikita nyo sa mga bahay-bahay, may mga nakasabit na kapag natapos ang isang bata, mostly kasi mga teacher ed yung mga yon. We put premium and priority to education. That's our culture in Ilocano, in Ilocos region.
Yeah, it starts with our historical context, because teacher education program is one of the programs that are during the time very accessible to Ilocanos. Many Ilocano families see this teacher ed program as a noble and stable career that uplifts the quality of life of their respective families. And in MMSU, the teacher ed is one of the center of excellence, so we ensure the quality of our graduates.